Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give a micro update on Ethereum. Now, first of all, this is my larger term count on the daily. Either have an A wave in, looking for a B wave pivot for our C, or potentially a 1-2-1-2, looking to launch for our third of the third. Now, areas of interest, we got to look at both scales. If this is the 1-2-1-2, we would want to hold between the 50 and the 618 in green here. That's simply our retracement tool from this second one too. And we'd be looking to hold between 1400 and 1516 there, between the 50 and the 618 on log scale. And on linear, looking to hold between 1480 and 1600, probably the 1480 area. Now, if this is the A wave, we'd expect a little deeper retracement. And we took that from this potential first A wave in an ABC. That's in red. We'd be looking to hold the 1360 area, as you can see there. Now let's get down to the micro. First of all, looking to complete this WXY complex correction. We had a zigzag W, came up for our X, and looking for a flat for our Y wave, which is a 3, 3, and 5 down to complete from here. Now, a couple areas you have to be aware of is this has not retraced that far, and that is this potential A wave in this ABC potentially needs a little more room to the upside. As you can see from this wave, we came to the 382, which is obviously valid, but not one of our most common targets. We usually come between the 50 and the 618. So something to watch out for is this appears to be 5 down. So if we come up a little bit and drop a little bit, we could reverse back up and then come down for our C wave. Just something to keep in mind there. And that area of interest is in orange here. That's where this can be potentially a expanded B in progress. We can come between the 105 and the 382 of this first A wave as an extension, and then we can come back up, then go down. So just something to be aware of. And we're either going to get 5 waves down here. I have these extensions, don't have the pivot yet. Basically working on that wave 2 whenever it comes in. I just left it at the 50 for now, as you can see, zoomed right in. And that gets us a little deep as an impulse. So another consideration you might want to keep in mind is this could turn into an ending diagonal where we get a 5-3-5, ABC, 5-3-5, ABC, 5-3-5 to end, and that should make a wedge, in which case we'd be looking to reverse from that area. So that's the 2 counts I'm looking for to the downside. Again, because we only came to the 382, just showing you a little closer, we could come down here, come up, that completes the ABC, and then drop down to our target. So a pretty safe trade if you really want to scalp this is to just target the 1-to-1 when this pivot is in for our potential wave 2. And what that should do is cover both the ending diagonal, where we'd expect a 1-to-1 for our wave 1, and that protects us from the potential B wave in progress down to these levels before going up. So if you're going to take this trade, I would suggest trying to get in the 50 area, put your stop at the high, and just target the 1-to-1 right here whenever this pivot is in. You'll need to adjust that for your targets. But it appears we currently have an A wave in, working on our C or a WXY up to this 50 level at around 1670. That's when you'd want to look for your short. And again, just target the 1-to-1. There's not a lot of room here. As you can see, we could potentially get a lot of overlap. We could get that reversal and then drop. So that's the trade I'll be looking to take, and just targeting the 1-to-1. All right, guys, that's my update on Ethereum for today. And thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the bell if you want the updates right away. I'll be updating this constantly. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.